Welcome to Fast Lane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. As IT professionals, we know how time-consuming and tedious daily tasks can be. But what if I told you there's a solution that can help you automate those tasks and save you time and effort? Introducing Microsoft Copilot, the latest tool from Microsoft designed specifically for IT teams. With Copilot, you no longer have to spend hours manually completing routine tasks. This powerful tool uses artificial intelligence to analyze your daily tasks and provide suggestions for automation. This means you can focus on more important projects and leave the repetitive tasks to Copilot. One key insight that sets Copilot apart is its ability to learn from your actions and adapt to your specific needs. It uses machine learning to understand your preferences and patterns, making it more efficient and accurate with each use. This means you can trust Copilot to handle your tasks with precision and consistency, freeing up your time for more valuable work. But that's not all. Copilot also integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools such as Azure and Power Automate. This allows for a smooth and streamlined workflow, making it even easier to automate your daily tasks. And with its user-friendly interface, you don't have to be a coding expert to use Copilot. It's designed for IT teams of all levels, making it accessible and beneficial for everyone. So how can you start using Copilot for your IT team? It's simple. Just download the Copilot extension for Visual Studio Code and start exploring its features. You can also access Copilot through GitHub Codespaces, allowing you to work on your projects from any device. But don't just take my word for it. Many IT teams have already seen the benefits of using Copilot. One team reported a 50% decrease in time spent on daily tasks after implementing Copilot. Imagine what you could do with that extra time, whether it's tackling a new project, learning a new skill, or simply taking a well-deserved break. So, if you're ready to streamline your daily tasks and boost your productivity, give Microsoft Copilot a try. It's the ultimate tool for IT teams looking to automate their workflows and save time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and updates. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.